The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the 7 screws securing the top of the glove box assembly using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pry off the glove box assembly. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Unclip the cord from the back of the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. The filter housing door has tabs on the inside that will help raise the filter up inside the housing. Reinstall the cord clip. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Close the glove box.